Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay videos on top of other videos. So as you can see, I have this video over here. Well, there's this video over here. And I'm just going to overlay this one. I'm going to mirror it. And to overlay and blend in the videos a little bit better, you can go to blend mode here. And you can select either the darkened one to create this like kind of effect. There's also the screen one where you can kind of blend it in. There's brighten as well. There's overlay. There is the hard light, soft light, color burn, linear burn, color dodge, and multiply. So just select whichever one you think looks the best for your videos and just blend it in like that. I'm just going to copy and paste this. Like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can overlay videos. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.